His wife, Michelle, is in the stand. She's been through all of this, his rehabilitation, everything with him. He knows how to do this. He won the trials 4 years ago in Baltimore.
Oh, boy.
Whoa.
This is absolutely incredible. Just not enough strength. Got stuck. Pulling out of that cross, his arm buckles. His grip got wrapped around the rings. And
So uncharacteristic for a 4-time national champion on this event.
oh, God. He's just burning inside right now.
Oh, what is this, fatigue all of a sudden?
Just a little bit tired, John. Double twisting, double somersault. Step on the landing.